virtual tour of Glenfall. As you can see, these are our lovely gardens. We have 4 acres. It's March at the moment, so you can see we've got some blossom out. Daffodils are starting to come out. Our gardens go all the way down to the willow at the back. You can see we have our resident eagle over here. We go down here, take you down to the alcove where you can have your outdoor ceremonies. These are perfect for intimate or larger gatherings. Licensed up to 120 guests. In May, all the wisteria will be out along this beautiful purple flowers for you to walk down. So we have 5 hits down here, lovely place for sunset and snuggles. Beautiful views over the rest of the garden. It's more rugged and orchardy down this way. We wanted some different wedding shots. This is our secret garden. If you ever want some private photos or a nice chill time. This is the Albright Lounge. Perfect for your guests to have a sit down and relax, play some games, or a bit of quiet time away from the rest of the wedding. This is the Glen. We've currently got it set up for a ceremony. We can see up to 80 guests in here. This is a perfect backup if you were planning a ceremony outside, but the weather is not on your side, because you still get all the views of the garden while staying dry. Our library bar, perfect place for your guests to enjoy a drink. We have Safer Press and Kronenberg on tap, but we can order in any beers that you would like or any drinks you would like. So we have Sonos throughout the whole building, so you can play your own music if you'd like to. The Sonos in the bar is in fact a jukebox. You can play different music in every room, so you can set up your different playlists for different spaces. This is our morning room. It's usually where you will meet with your registrars before your ceremony. It's also a lovely place to have evening food set up or for gifts and other things during your wedding day. It's a selection of our lovely little extras. We have lots of decorations here at Glenfall that you are welcome to use whenever you want to help your day look very beautiful. They are also free of charge, which helps. This is the ballroom. It's the perfect place to have your wedding breakfast. As you can see, we've got it set up now for around 30 people. It's also great for a larger ceremony if that's what you wanted and you wanted some more guests. And as with all of our rooms, you've got a beautiful view straight out onto our lovely garden. This is our mobile bar. It can be moved to anywhere pretty much in the building or outside, so you can have your drinks reception wherever you would like, weather permitting. This is Molyneux, one of our 2 beautiful bridal suites. As you can see, 4-poster bed, panoramic views of the beautiful gardens outside, plenty of space to get ready in before your big day or to enjoy afterwards. There is a beautiful bathroom just over there. His and her sinks. And a lovely big bath. This is another example of the types of rooms we have here in the main house at Glenfall. Obviously, lovely big bed, lots of space, nice bathroom, and those lovely views again. This is Hathwell, our other bridal suite. It's almost the exact opposite of the other room, much darker. Boys tend to prefer this one for some reason. It has a massive mirror, but it is a bit obscured. Again, lovely views, lovely big space to sit or get ready in, and the all-important bathroom. Both our bridal suites have their own private balconies, so if it's a lovely day, you can come and stand out here and enjoy the views. Maybe have a glass of champagne before you start getting ready. It's also a lovely place to have photographs taken on your big day. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual tour of Glenfall House. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions about anything you've seen today, or you'd just like to have a chat with a member of the team, then please feel free to give us a call or email us, and we will be happy to help you.